Hello everyone, I'm I-Rav and you are tuned in to the 572 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with some exciting news from Money Control highlights that the National Medical Commission or NMC has reissued a circular on standard treatment workflows or STWs, a move that's stirring debate across the healthcare and insurance sectors. These workflows, developed by the ICMR and EA and outline step-by-step clinical protocols across 28 specialties, aiming to standardize care and reduce unnecessary procedures. But here's the twist. This isn't the first time such guidelines have been issued. The Union Health Ministry had already directed states to adopt these workflows in the year 2024. So why the repetition? Experts believe this reissuance is linked to the ongoing conflict between hospitals and insurers. Insurers argue that hospitals often deviate from standard protocols, leading to inflated bills and inconsistent care. Hospitals, on the other hand, claim their doctors are better equipped to make clinical decisions without rigid workflows. While the NMC doesn't have jurisdiction over hospitals, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare does. If implemented effectively, STWs could lead to more predictable hospital bills, fairer claim settlements, and lower out-of-pocket expenses for policyholders. As our very own Tapan Singhal, MD and CEO, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, puts it, combined with initiatives like NHCX and common empanelment, this lays the foundation for a dedicated health regulator. For now, the hope is that hospital insurer negotiations will bridge the gap. Up next, we spotlight a recent report from the Hindu business line. In a strategic rebranding move, Generali Group and Central Bank of India have unveiled their new identity, Generali Central Life Insurance and Generali Central Insurance. This marks a significant milestone following Central Bank's acquisition of stakes in future Generali India Life and General Insurance. This transformation is expected to bring greater synergy between banking and insurance services, making it easier for customers to access protection products through familiar channels. It also signals a renewed focus on financial wellness, family protection, and long-term planning, core values that resonate with today's evolving consumer needs. Our next update from the Hindu business line. As international travel rebounds, Tata AIG General Insurance is sounding the alarm on the critical need for travel insurance. On World Tourism Day, the insurer released data showing that medical emergencies account for 55% of all travel claims, highlighting the real risks travelers face abroad, from hospitalization costs in foreign countries to flight delays, lost baggage, and trip cancellations. Travel insurance is becoming a must-have. Between April 2024 and August 2025, 99% of Tata AIG's travel policies were purchased for international trips, with the USA, UK, UAE, Thailand, Singapore, and Germany leading the pack. Interestingly, most buyers were aged 26 to 45, reflecting India's young, mobile workforce. Yet, domestic travel insurance still accounts for just 1% of their portfolio, despite rising risks like adventure injuries, weather disruptions, and airline issues within India. Our final story today from Business Standard highlights that health insurance renewals in India have reached an all-time high, signaling a major shift in how consumers perceive and engage with their health coverage. According to Policy Bazaar, both the number of policies or NOP and gross written premium GWP persistency have seen notable improvements. NOP by 4% and GWP by 7% over the past 5 years. This trend reflects a growing awareness of health risks and a deeper commitment to long-term financial protection. One of the key drivers behind this surge is the popularity of modular plans that offer cumulative bonuses and automatic coverage increases even in claim years. These plans are not only cost-effective, but also encourage policyholders to stay invested. Additionally, the rise in lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and heart conditions has prompted more people to maintain continuous coverage. Policy Bazaar reported a 25% increase in customers with lifestyle conditions in its new business mix. Renewals are also being driven by the flexibility to upgrade plans with add-ons like critical illness riders, daily hospital cash, consumables coverage, and preferred hospital discounts. High cover policies, those with sums insured above rupees 10 lakh, are seeing particularly strong renewal rates, indicating a shift toward comprehensive protection. Demographically, around 80% of renewals come from individuals aged 30 and above, with family floater plans showing slightly higher persistency than individual policies. Interestingly, this behavior is consistent across metros and smaller cities, suggesting that insurance awareness is spreading beyond urban centers. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.